You gotta zoom in. Do you have another, Mr. Baldwin, your name? We're going to jury trial and a false information to a police. Mr. Baldwin, I need you to zoom in, please. What's going on? I need you to zoom in. Can you state your name?
Attorney Mike Baldwin, P65417, on behalf of Ms. Cosby.
Were you working on another case or what?
Yeah, I have two things going here, but I'm also with Mr. Shrum here as well. So I actually have 3 or 4 things going.
All right, listen. Are we serious? We're going to a jury trial and a false information to a police officer.
My client takes a position that that she reasonably believed that there was a firearm in that vehicle, and I can't refute that. And I offered her a bench trial, Judge.
Good enough. Good enough. Good enough. Good enough.
But I do have my calendar.
I thought it was just a regular. I didn't know. I shouldn't have assumed that. Usually they gave the wrong name. That's fine.
Yes.
Ms. Foley Carter, I need in here. Ms. Foley Carter, can you come in, please? We're going to set a jury. I get it. Your name?
Caitlin Fuller.
Jury trial will be scheduled right now.
I have my calendar, Judge.
May 9th at 8:30.
Right. Well, this is we're just starting this case, really, right? Well, no, February 27th. Ms. Cosby, you got to be here in person. You understand that?
Yes, I understand that, Your Honor, but am I allowed to put anything on the record right now?
About what?
About
what do you want to put on the record?
My life. I'm in fear for my life from Justice.
Your Honor, I've advised her to seek out a PPO, but it was rejected.
Hang on. Hang on.
Your Honor, may I say something, please?
No, I don't even know who you are. Hang on. I said, wait. The judge is talking right now. That means you don't interrupt the judge. Do you understand what I'm saying? I don't even know what this is about.
I don't need
Hang on. Don't say a word. What's your name, sir?
I'm Justin Cole, the victim.
I know, but what's your name? Justin Cole?
Yep.
What in the world is going on here? I thought this was false information to a police officer. Miss, can you enlighten me? I don't know.
It is, Your Honor. Ms. Cosby and Mr. Cole were both at the police department. Ms. Cosby called the police and told them that Mr. Cole pulled a weapon on her outside in the police department parking lot. They reviewed footage. There was no firearm. They searched Mr. Cole's vehicle. There was no firearm.
Okay. All right. Well, you don't need to put anything on the record. If you want to get a PPO, you get a PPO.
Well,
I'm not going to hang on. Well, I wasn't done talking yet. I'm not going to engage in this colloquy here. I've got one charge in front of me, false information to an officer. If you think you're in fear and he's stalking you or doing anything else or aggravating you to the extent that you'd be entitled to a PPO, go get a PPO. Mr. Baldwin already said, hang on, I wasn't done talking yet. When I stop talking, I'll tell you. How's that?
Sorry, Your Honor.
Now, I'm setting it for a jury and I'm setting it for a final pretrial, and that's it. And you have to be here for the trial. Where's Johannesburg again?
By Gaylord. And what's the date, Your Honor? Because I have other court dates with my father through probate.
We're going to give you a date right now. We're going to give you a date right now. All right. Wait a minute, guys. I'm not going to, you guys are not going to get along with me if you're going to interrupt one another and engage in this. I'm telling you. I'm telling you right now. We're setting a jury. She wants a jury. She's entitled to a jury. And that's what I'm going to give her. I just thought it was a simple misuse of a name or something, or giving the false information as to a name. This is a little different, but I don't want to hear any of this.
May I ask you something, Your Honor?
Sure. I've got a no contact provision, I think,
Yes,
don't I? Maybe I don't.
I
That's
hope
what-
you put one in place, Your Honor.
That's what I was hoping, Your Honor, that you would give me a
a.
no contact with her because she keeps calling and calling. I mean, I don't want no more calls, false calls, please.
Yeah, I didn't realize what this was about. It was rain, there's no, Ms. Foley Carter, you know what I've been trying to do for like 30 years, 28 years? What do you think I've been trying to do on these?
What's that, Your Honor?
Been asking them to put information on a ticket. I've quit. Hang on. I've quit asking. It falls on deaf ears. I've asked police departments through chiefs no less than 25 times to put simple, basic information on a citation so I can have some idea as to what I'm talking about when I'm doing a bond. False informational police officer. That's what he wrote. Just a simple, maybe you can help me with this too, Mr. Foley. Just a simple, just a simple, whatever it is, gave false name of Jane Doe, went into Myers, stole $1,000 worth of property, punched and slapped the victim. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you, but I got to chase these guys around. I'm looking at a citation. I'm not reading police reports when I'm doing these. And
If I may, there is a misdemeanor complaint in the file.
I see it now, but I'm getting like 50 cases a day. I mean, I see that.
Your Honor, we can take it up with the department once again.
I know, but listen, it's not just Brownstown.
All I can do is check.
What happens is guys retire and they don't tell anybody, and the new guys don't tell anybody, and the new guys, and I got to keep doing it. It's just getting aggravating, but nonetheless, I'm going to order, give me a bond sheet, please. Ma'am, you're going to have to go get printed if this is the kind of case it is. I'm sorry. So I'm going to have you come here next time. You're going to have to come here next time to get printed by Brownstown. And I'm going to order no contact with the victim, Justin Cole. No contact with Justin. No contact with Justin Cole. No contact with prosecution witnesses. And you cannot. You have to go over to the Brownstown Police Department to get fingerprinted and photographed on your next court date. When are we going to have the next court date? Can we have it on the
April
23rd?
23rd at 11.
So I'm going to say you have to be there by 2 o'clock on April 23rd, okay? And then we're going to set a jury trial date. I'm not adjourning any of these dates again. Mr. Baldwin, what do you have? And Ms. Foley Carter, are you guys good on just give me a date in May, a Friday in May when you can do this.
I'm available on the
Except the
9th.
2nd. You available on the 9th? May 9th at 8:30 will be your jury trial date. All of this will be in person.
Your Honor, I have a probate court date on my father that day.
She does not, Your Honor. I have power of attorney. My father, she does not. That's a lie. Sorry.
If I find somebody starts lying to me,
Your Honor,
That's
I'm
good.
not lying to you.
There's no probate
send me
date.
the notice.
It's not on the 9th, it's on the 10th.
Stop.
It's on April 10th.
Wow.
Stop. Do you have a court date, May 9th?
It's May 9th, yes.
Where?
April,
What court?
April 10th, emergency hearing at probate court, and then
That is false.
Don't say anything, Mr. Cole.
Sorry, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, it's May 6th. I'm sorry, it is. I
Good.
just
Then
got
you
the
don't have
court-
anything May 9th.
No, May 9th is good.
No adjournments of any of these. So if you get another court date, you tell them the mean judge in Woodhaven won't adjourn it. April
What time,
9th at
Judge?
11. I'm sorry, May 9th at 8:30. Final pretrial will be April the 23rd. And I'll make that later out for you so you don't have to show up so late. Did you tell me 11, Lisa?
Yes, 11 o'clock.
And you have to be over, so no contact with the victim. You have to go over to get photographed and printed by Brownstown by 2 p.m. on April 23. No contact with prosecution witnesses. and I am ready to go. That's it. Have a
Thank you.
nice day. Good luck. I hope you guys will continue to talk. If not, we'll see everybody on April 23rd and May the 9th. Thank you.
Thank you.